Alright guys, I welcome you back once again. Of course, here is next draw prediction. This is Noonrush Thursday. Last week on Noonrush Thursday, we had 74-22 on the Noonrush Thursday. 74-22. Nice one. If you like the video, to appreciate the effort. So these are the winning and the machine numbers. Now, I have a banker at the current year, but then the last week plan is giving us at least 4 numbers. So let's look at it. Let me use the old paper so that you understand it. If I watch it carefully, you know the figures have been marked plenty. I just want to use the old one to show you something. Yeah, so last week these were the figures. 1674 was our two direct, but then rather dropped 74-22. Last week we said that this figure dropped 27-31. After then there's an ending 0 here. This number from 36 to sit at last box plus of 2 is 12 to sit at first box. This number from 36 is 26 to sit at last box. A play with 8 counterpart in machine, and then 27 jump and join it like this. So we said that there is a number after the 27, there's a number at first box plus of 53 is 90. So this 90 should repeat, and this number plus of 2 is this figure. This figure should turn to 21. Say 4 box position. So when you come to the second one, to 27-31, the same thing, ending 0. This number from 36 always at last, but plus of 2 is 22. You know what I'm saying? And this number from 36 is 16. You play with 8 counterpart 61. Then the 27 should jump and join it in machine. And then we said after the 27, there's a first number plus of 53 is 74. Then let the 74 repeat, and indeed it repeated. And then this number plus of 2 should turn. 22-10 is the same 22 to drop at position second box. It tells you that the plan is working. Now it says that after this number plus of 53, 90 has repeated, and this number has 10. Then a qualify the 27, which is moving to machine. 3 weeks than 1, 2, 3. The 27 is a free banker first box. So today this 27, 3 weeks 1, 2, 3 is a first number if possible. 27. You know what I'm saying? And then again, you see this number plus of 53, which is 90, that repeated should counterpart. So here, this number plus of 53, which is 74, that repeated should counterpart. But then it's lotto, so you take the 74 again. You know what I'm saying? And when you check on the second one, you could see that where the 31 drop, there's an ending 8 on the line, which is 58. This 58 plus of 3 is this 61 to set at 4th box. So that when this number turns to 21, it will lap the 61. After then, the 61 is going to 90 banker. So here too, where the 31 is, there is an ending 8, which is 78. Plus of 3 is 81 to sit at 4th box. So that when the 22 turn, it will come and lap it at 4th position. So today the 81 should move. 81. So here it's giving us 4 numbers, all right? But the 2 direct is the 27 and then the 29. That is the 2 direct. Just like the 45 and the 27. That is this number repeating 8 counterpart with the 27 moving. So this number repeating 8 counterpart 29 with the 27 moving. So 27, 29 is 2 direct. You know what I'm saying? So let me show you one banker, then we add it to this 4 numbers. So let's use the current. It's not easy. So when you check on the current, it's a banker line. Watch this. 60 column drop at center. Here is 61. So here to 60 column at center. Here is 64. Let's look at something. Now, this 61 here from 138, 138. You can use your calculator. The 61 from 138 is 77. It is on top and playing with 16. The 61 from 138 is 77. You will find it at the top here, playing with 16. Therefore, repeat the 77 and play with the 61. After then, the 61 should repeat to lap. Free banker. It came here. This number from 138 is 74. It's on top, playing with 16. Then repeat the 74. After then, this 64 has to repeat to lap. It's a very simple thing. So you only add the 64, all right? So brothers and sisters, you like the video, so appreciate the effort. These are my predictions. So Noonrush Thursday. Let's hope for the best. Always do not forget that these are just predictions. So you watch how you stick them. Stick responsibly and then stick according to your strength. So let's try our hands on these predictions. And the two direct is the 27 and 29. So that is it. And this is my number. In case of any support, you can go through. Yeah. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group too, this is the number 0553. That is my WhatsApp number. Alright. So you can chat me, then I'll add you to the group. Fantastic. Like the video to appreciate the effort. Thank you. Bye bye.